Alright, so I'm sitting here in front of the daily challenge. I am still a bit sleepy. I woke up just a little while ago, but I think I'm going to start doing these recordings so they can kind of act as play alongs. As in, you play this challenge, and then you can come watch me and see how I do. Hopefully, I do good. And if I do good, then I can explain why I did good, what kind of knowledge is necessary, what sort of decisions I think are good to make, etc., etc. I mean, I'm no pro player, so it's like I am still very liable to make mistakes, but we'll hope for the best. And for now, I guess I'll just get into it. We have the Nihon no Shigaichi map, 7.5 minutes, and everything's allowed. Alright. This does not feel very Shigaichi, but alright, well, we take what we'll get. So right off the bat, this kind of looks, I don't know, that might be a Tohoku bollard. It's hard to tell. It's putting in full, supposed to lag the game. But okay, we got Owl Kanban right here, so potentially really good. Tochigi, Shigai. Well, okay, so we're, we can go over here. This is Tochigi. Tochigi City is this, which we're going to assume they're talking about. Looks like it's talking about the west more than anything. Where is this Fujioka that they have there? That would be nice to. Also, the Iwatami. I don't know how to pronounce that. I don't know how to read. That would also be nice to find. So we're going west, so we should be to the east, but we could just look for road numbers if we think that might be a good idea. 160, 252. There's 160, 252. Should be this. Oh wait, but we're on 160 going west, so we should be here-ish, I would assume. Yep, okay. I'm just gonna at this from west, so we're just gonna back, zoom out so it's easier to tell. Go past this, back, and we come out, assuming the next one from the north. It's really not that far, so that would line up. So I'm just gonna go back here. That goes really far down. We are like one thing away from getting out, so I'm gonna kind of hedge it, not go too far in, but I want to try and cover this range. So just in case I'm actually like right here, or if I'm a little further in. So I'm gonna go just a tad bit further. These are hard to tell. Scale is really hard. I'm not the best at it, but we send, we get it. We see 0 KW. He tried. This is the importance of counting, because I'm going to assume that was probably the difference between us here. Is I counted second, checked to make sure this was close, and then I hedged here a little, because it was close. Like I was closer on my first thing, but if it for whatever reason was way further in, and I put it here or closer, and it was just out, that would have been annoying. So it's always better to play it safe. Okay, this time we actually got what looks to be Nishiku Nakahiromachi. So sometimes it's nice, you can actually look at the English section and it'll actually tell you what city this is. So it says Nishiku. So we know we're in the west ward of some city, but Nishiku is in a lot of stuff. So, okay, well, we're probably Hiroshima-shi, Nishiku. Okay, well, we already have an address. Unfortunately, I don't know exactly how far Nishiku goes for, so I don't want to commit on this by any means, but we know... Whoops. I'm going to pin this real quick. And we'll do a little bit of looking around. Because it looks... It might be smarter to... We essentially know that it should be this until it goes to the next city. Which, where does that happen? Oh, it's right here. Okay, I'm going to put this down so it's easy to tell. But yeah, Nishiku is in a lot of cities, just as a FYI. God, I don't know how far Nishiku is going to go up. That's the annoying thing about trying to search for within a ku, is it's generally very difficult to tell exactly where the boundaries are. But if I don't find this in the next like 10-20 seconds, I'm already way past. It's like it shouldn't be that big, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. One would think, right? One would think. That's where you get bamboozled. But yeah, I'm not finding it. So in that case, next best thing to do, I might have, I could have easily passed over it too. I'm gonna unpin, bring it down, and we're gonna just decide on a direction. I'm just gonna go south. I can see, nope, never mind, I'm not going south. I'm gonna go west. Alright, sure. So we have some sort of like bridge. We're at a river. We went northwest to get to this river. Let's try and go up here and get a better view. Not being the most responsive. So we have a decently sized bridge right there. Let's look at the shape. Southwest, it starts to go Could it be over here? So I'm going west, so I should really be only looking at the east side. I don't know why I'm not. I don't even know if this is still Nishiku. My just inability to do... is it possible it could be way up here? Yeah, my inability to do... Northeast, there's a... That's a train, isn't it? Yeah, we have a train over here, northeast. Going east to west. Everything over here is in this Itsukaichi. This is Nakaku, isn't it? It's like... I'm not finding this shit, man. It is, like, not happening. I went west. Let's try going east. And before I go east, and it's super easy. Nakahiromachi. It's like... Yeah, ないんだけど。広島駅。西広島駅。Oh, Jesus Christ. This is Nishiku? Fucking hell, man. Nichome 19. Okay. See 19 here. This takes 2 to get across. And I am at this intersection here. I think this is right. Alright, I did get it. Took me way too long, but I did get it. Hiya. Jesus, man. Yeah, see, this is why it would pay off quite a bit to know where the coups actually extend to. Because it is so hard. They don't have it written out. They don't have it like prefecture to prefecture. You can tell by this little line here, right? It's hard to see, but once you know to look for it, you know. Of course, like when you're scanning, you can still miss it. I often do, but you know, you can like be like, oh yeah, that exists. But the coups, they don't. So I was like, I'm just looking over here. It's this giant one too. Telling river scale is really hard. It's something I've noticed after playing this game for a bit. There are times when you're on like this tiny river and it looks huge. You feel like it's huge, and you go look at the map and it's like what you thought was this was like legit this or this, you know? It's so hard to tell. Yeah, that should have been a good hint though. I guess I got too... My flaw in this one is I got too hung up on it being over here. Because I'm like, look at this. Minami's here, Naka's here, Nishi's here. Where does it switch? It's most likely at this line, I'm guessing, of trams or whatever these are called. Damn. Not the best, but whatever. We did get it. It's very wide. Feels either Hokkaido or like Aomori-ish. I'd really like to be able to read this. Eniwashi, I believe. But where the hell is that again? I don't actually remember. I don't know which way to go on this one. It's like kind of a hard decision. Megumi no Higashi. Is that the... I'm like half tempted to check the one above Asahikawa, I mean. I have never been to this. I'm gonna look. No, it's not. Where the hell is this one, man? Is this something over here? It's like... I don't know. I'm gonna... It feels very Hokkaido, though, to be fair. But I don't know if I want to scan. I see something, maybe. If this is a sign, then... Take a look at this. Chitose. Okay. Here it is, Eniwa. It's near Chitose. I messed up which one it was near. No. Okay, so we should be somewhere in here. We're gonna just return all the way back. Looks like we have some sort of park to our westish. And we're mostly south and north. Well, I'm gonna go find this. Where's this? I would have been very willing to believe it was this right here. This is Minami-yon? Kita-yon? It's actually surprisingly... Wait. Kita-yon Higashichi. This right? We have a school that I somehow was able to completely miss. Yeah, we do. Oh, this is what I was seeing. I'm like right here at this first one. I'm gonna go this east, southeast. Yeah, I'm like right here, I believe. And there's the kindergarten. Yep, we will lock in. We got it too. Nice. This isn't too bad. Like, you know that this is Hokkaido. I mean, you don't actually. To be honest, like, I can't completely ignore that it's like Aomori, but it's like almost 90 to 95% Hokkaido. It's just I don't want to like look around all of Hokkaido if I don't have an idea of where it is. So finding the thing about Chitose was nice. It's like I know I've seen this before, but I didn't know exactly where it was because I don't think I've had any in it. But we go to the next. All right. I'm gonna go northeast here because I don't exactly. Maybe something on this. Ooh, there it is, but I can't read it. This looks like it might be just a generally bigger road over here, so I'm gonna go check. This is interesting, but I can't read it. So, what the? Shijimizuka Iseki. Shijimizuka. I don't know. So that's not too far from where this spawn. It's in the direction of the spawn, so maybe at the end that might be useful. Yes, obviously this is Tokyo, I see it. Hamamatsu Irio Center. Hamamatsu Irio Center. We'll probably assume that this is Hamamatsu. Yeah. I would do so. I don't know if Iseki would show up. Hamamatsu is very large. Probably gonna have to go and find at least a ku. I need a like general area. Road number would also be perfectly fine since I've gotten out to a bigger road. But these kinds of areas, you know, in the worst way, tend to never have. I'm not bothering to look at these for the most part because they almost never have the ku written down. I won't say never. Huh. Hamamatsu-shi Hakubutsukan. 楽器博物館Yeah. Wait. Oh. This might be it. Oh, yeah. Here's this. We're definitely in this area. Southwest of where I am, but I might as well at this point just go back to here and try and find an address. Oh wow, that would have been nice to find earlier. Sanarudai. Sanarudai. 2丁目. Or wait, no, 5丁目. The knee's down here. 5丁目2. It's hard to tell if this is accurate. This is for Sanarudai, right? Is this the Irio Center that I'm looking at here? If so, I'm directly east of it. Kind of hard to tell the exact locations, but I go southwest and there's going to be a south. Oh no, I think I'm here. Right? This is going southeast, and then does this weird curve southwest, southeast, south. Yeah, that's that. And I had to go southwest. Oh wait, no. So I am over here because I went. I didn't go here to here. I went here to here. Okay. Yeah, right. I think I can be fine with this because that's that. The question is just going to be how far am I in this? Is that building this building here? I'm guessing it is, right? So I'm probably actually a decent bit further in. Because there's that building, and then I'm probably at least like 2 whole building lengths. So I'm just going to hedge a little and put it here. We'll go for it. Nice. 0 tried his best. It is hard finding city ones. I feel ya. It was actually just a tad bit closer, so, but whatever. Got it. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. I don't know how legitimately I can take that. So this is Tohoku, this is Tohoku, it could also be Hokkaido, or technically Shikoku, but that's very Tohoku, so I'm going to assume for now that we're in Tohoku. .38. I don't actually have that memorized. Why did I look at that then? I don't know. Sometimes you just, English. These are always good to take a look at. It looks like something the na. Or that'd be the kua. That'd be the kua maybe. I don't know. I can't read. This is fucking fucked up. Okay, wait. Alright, I'll go check out whatever this thing is over here. Is that just a roof? It's just a roof. Oh, but there's a orange thing. It's pretty unreadable for my fucking ability. For my abilities. This is one of those times I wonder if I've gone the wrong way. Very much so. Kind of Toho looking bollards. I am confused though. Not gonna lie. I don't have a good idea of where this is. Sometimes these will have writing on them, but it's usually really small and hard to decipher, so you only go for it if you're extremely desperate. Man, when I look at it like that, it looks like Sanjo. Wait, Sanjo, is that in... Oh, it might be this then. Could be. We'll put it there for now. I don't actually have a strong idea. Okay. Whatever the fuck that means. There's something over here. I don't know if I can actually go look at this. Maybe I can? Oh, alright. I'll take it. I'll take it. Yeah. Higashi Busen. Higashi goes all the way over here. Could easily be out in this range. Let's go back to the beginning. Try and get a general grasp of the surroundings. Which way did I end up going? Did I not go this way? It feels like the smarter way to go, in hindsight. Sometimes you can see there. Wait. Kamo Keisatsu. Oh, we might be. Which direction did I just go? I went north. I don't know if I'm like already in it or if I just went across. But I'm definitely at this. Might be able to. Got north, that turns into slight northwest. And then what's the direction of this? Very southeast. This does seem boy. I wouldn't be surprised, is what I will say. So if it's true, before that, oh, there's that. I mean, it's like these roads are hard to tell if it's actually going to be the same. Yeah, めっちゃめちゃぽいな、でも。I feel like, yeah, it has to be this, right? So if that road is there, we're probably like here-ish. We'll send it. Nice. Let's go. Solid. Okay, so that is kind of the importance of going both ways. It can be really helpful at finding, because we were right near this boundary. And as soon as I knew that, as soon as I was like, okay, am I near this boundary? I just had to look at this and then compare the roads. It's like there's always a possibility, but like look at this section here. This is just so aligned to what it should be. Like these are such farm roads, right? When they're these really spread out, long straight lines like this. You know, it's like it's unlikely that you're over here, I feel. It's not impossible, but like this just felt so right. And then when everything else matched up, like this is the luck. Because like, there are other possibilities, but this felt very right. This is like I could see flat land stretching really far, which you probably wouldn't be able to get with these. And the fact that I could really quickly find, you know, the Sanjo stuff, it's like I shouldn't have gone too far. So we got it. Huh? I didn't know that they had this in here. I want to just click that challenge on everyone. I could, but we'll go to game breakdown. So that was a pretty good game on my part. Zero actually also did a pretty good job as well. Just a couple small little misses here and there. But good job. Good fight, good fight. We had a nice spread. It didn't feel anywhere near like yeah. Alright, well. Either way, it was a good game.